So your question may be, how do I find out who purchases my product or service within the federal government? Well, it's actually easier than you think. The government has all this data out there. You just have to know where to go to get it and how to use it. The website is fpds.gov right here at the top. I'll highlight it for you. And what you're going to do is take your primary NAICS code for your product or service that you can offer to the federal government. And you're going to enter it in their easy search bar. So mine is 541620. As you see, I type it a lot in the system. Hit enter. Alrighty. So on the left hand side, you're going to get your top 10 right here. So let me tell you how this is a twofold networking. For you, for my primary NAICS code 541620, over here it's saying the Department of Defense, EPA, Interior, GSA. Those are my top right here. The contracted agency within these departments, Department of the Army, goes under Department of Defense. I hope you're following along. Department of the Air Force right here, Department of Defense. However, you can use these to target the government agencies that purchase your product or service. And on the flip side of this, right here, these are the top 10 vendors, companies that win contracts for your primary NAICS code. So, hint, hint, reach out to them to look for joint venture and or subcontracting opportunities. So we're going to use Booz Allen Hamilton. I'm going to take that information and say doing business with Booz. Oh, thank you, Google. And enter. Voila. They have all the information. See? They're looking for us. They really are. They have all the information that you need to have in order to be a subcontractor for them. Use Google as your friend. Contracting. Go down and look at what comes up in your Google search, because you want to make sure you reach out to them. So that's for the actual subcontract opportunity. But you say, oh, I want to win my own contracts. I don't want to be a subcontractor. Cool. We know the Department of the Army is one of the top 10 contracting agencies for 541620. Take that same information, go back to Google, Department, if I can spell that. Guess what? They have all this information at your fingertips for you to use on ways to find how to work with the government and also to work with private companies. Hope this helps.